So guys, we recently moved into a new apartment here, and I decided to do like an empty apartment tour for you guys before we start putting anything in the house at all. Guys, don't mind my voice. I'm so tired. Like, I've been up and doing since morning because today is actually a day to move in day. So from the door here, this is the entrance door. We actually have some packages from Amazon that we are yet to unbox, so we just dropped them there. So by the side, we have like, okay, let me go closer. So by the side, from the entrance, this is the entrance. By the side, we have like a utility room here. There's not really a lot going on in the utility room. So there is a door here that leads to our bathroom, but I'll be showing you guys that later. Let's just check this out. This is the sitting room, and I'm so happy because this house has a balcony, and then I can easily spread my clothes outside instead of inside. So this is what the sitting room is looking like, and that's the entrance that I came in from. So this is the kitchen. The sitting room is actually, they use rug for the sitting room, but you know, because of water spillage and all, they use wooden tiles for the kitchen. I would have preferred a wooden tiles everywhere, but it's not bad anyways. So the only thing that came with this house is this fridge and the washing machine. Every other thing we have to buy them by ourselves. I'll be telling you guys why we opted for a fresh apartment later, like an unfurnished apartment. We've been in the UK for 1 year. So this is what the fridge is looking like. I like it so much. A lot of space, and we also have a freezer down here. To think we have our own personal freezer for ourselves though. So as I was saying, I don't know if I should just you guys why we took this apartment later or why I'm filming this content. So we've been in the UK for 1 year, and we think it's time we start having our own stuff. We've been staying in a furnished apartment, but now we want to start having our own stuff so that we know that at least I live in a country. I don't know if you know what I mean, but at least we have belongings. So these are the drawers for the kitchen. It has 3 drawers here. The house is pretty new, like we are the first person that's going to be staying inside the house. So this is another cabinet, and it's a 4-faced cooker top. I don't know how to use this one. It's different from the one I used to use, but it can't be that hard. I'm a village girl. So this is the, what do they call this, oven? Yeah, that's the oven. And it also have another compartment there, and this brand is actually the same brand with the fridge. So this is the washing machine. Okay, I don't want to open it because I don't know what's going on there. So we have another compartment here for the kitchen, and we have another one here also. So there's another one down here just by this one will be for supplies for washing. And then we have the zinc here. There is other compartment there too, and this is my bag that I bought and the key, and this is the washing machine. So that's that about the living room. Actually, there's no much thing going on yet because I told you guys it's an empty apartment. I want to keep this as a memory so that when we finish getting stuffs, you know, we cannot get stuffs once because we don't have the money. So like this, we are just buying bed and sleeping on it till we have money for any other thing. The house is pretty expensive, but then it took us time to get an apartment. So this is one of the rooms. Nothing is going on here, so I'm not spending much time here because this is just the room, but it has its own personal bedroom. So here is what the bathroom is looking like. It's a shower bathroom, the WC, and there is a towel warm heater there. Okay, not too bad. So guys, this is everything about the first room. The room are pretty much the same size, so let's just go to the other room. So this is what the other room is looking like, and they are pretty much the same size. Or is it just me that feel like that? I think this is a little bit bigger, but I'm not so sure. So okay, let's call this the master bedroom because we are definitely going to be here, and the other one will be our visitors room, or maybe somebody comes around. So this is a bathtub bathroom with shower. The WC is there. It's a bit messy. It's new though. It's not like the messy is we that used it. Nobody has used it, so some people might not like to see it. This is the shower. I say shower. What do they call this thing, guys? Zinc or anything? I don't know. So there is no mirror in the bathroom, so we are probably going to be getting a mirror here and maybe like a shelf to put stuff, because we have like skincare, hair care, and other stuff to keep. So back to the room. So I'm going to be locking this door because this is the other door I showed you guys the other time and said we'll come back to. The door leads back to the living room, so that if a visitor comes around and they are not staying over, they quickly want to use the toilet, they can definitely just use this one here instead of going into our room. Or if it's a visitor that we don't want to see what our room looks like, they can easily use that place. So that's all, guys. I just decided to keep this as keepsake so that when the house is done, I'll be able to tell you, to know like what it looks before and after we've gotten to the inside. This is like my first big size kitchen in the UK. All the kitchen I've been using have been very small. So the only property we have in the UK, I say property like his house, the only thing that we have that belongs to us is a freezer, and we have a kitchen island. So we are going to be bringing them and we'll be keeping them here. The freezer might just be somewhere here and the kitchen island will be here. But when the house is set, in like maybe, because we have to be using like our monthly salary to get stuff, so probably like in 3 months time I'll do an update video on what the apartment is looking like now, and I'll definitely be showing you guys. God help us. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to click the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe if you are yet to. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Bye.